Hey everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to share a screen on Discord mobile app. So first of all, you have to be on your server. So in order to share your screen with the server, make sure you have a role with the videos permission within the server. If you don't have this permission, you won't see the options to share your screen in a server. So I'll show you how can you enable that video permission. So guys, first of all you have to go to in server setting, just tap on the server name and just go to settings and just go to the roles option, and from here just choose the uh, role your role in the server and just go to permissions and scroll down. In the voice channel permission, you have to enable this setting. Video, make sure to enable this setting. So once you enable this setting, you will see the share your screen option in our server. So after this guys, just save it from the top. Fine. So yeah, that's how you can do it. Or you can also directly guys enable this setting for all the users. So this is already enabled for all the users, so you don't have to go separately even. So after this, if you are in the guys live, you can share your screen directly. Fine. So just need to go to options and just choose share your screen. So I hope you get it guys. So the video permission is a must. So yeah, that's it. So if you don't, you just to see the option guys, you just need to need to drag your screen from the bottom and you will see the share your screen option, screen share option. Just tap on it and you will be able to share your screen. So yeah, make sure just close all the confidential apps in the background to be safe. So yeah, hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.